Hey Lauren, windows, if you see here, that is
It's not even unintentional.
the windows. You can see they weren't even touched. So that's the windows that are really dirty. Now that they're gonna have to come back and clean the floor. The house looks great. Jackie obviously did a good job. But if I can just kind of give you an idea windows wise, look, just all the stuff. That's not new, that's been there. So obviously you can see they didn't even try. She's saying that she's concerned about going on the top, but this is, again, that's the same pictures I was sending you. So just, they need to do a really good job. The floors, if you notice they're dirty again, but that's us, that's fine. So they need to clean all the floors again and then just do a nice little general cleanup. But it's mostly windows and then the ceiling fans and little things like that. So for example here, just that's dirt. So all this just needs to be cleaned up a little bit more detail. The fans, again, look at the windows and ceiling fans, just dirt. Overall, okay, did an okay job. Oh, see here in the, this needs to be clean.